Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the jack port, the headphone jack, on an Alcatel 1B 2020 phone. For this, we need a round brush about 3 cm long, which widens along its length. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt and clean the contacts, and then so it evaporates without leaving any traces behind. You can buy such kits in this kind of packaging on Allegro or Amazon. We must turn off the phone before cleaning. We never clean a phone while it's turned on, because you could damage it. We sprinkle the brush with isopropyl alcohol or dip it in the alcohol, depending on whether you have a diffuser or not. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the jack socket, the headphone jack. We insert the brush as far as possible into the socket. We rotate it to the right 5 times, then to the left 5 times, and pull it out. And we repeat this action 5 times. To be to clean, to be sure that the socket is 100% cleaned and the contacts will work like new. If there is any dirt in the socket, this brush will automatically allow us to remove it from the socket. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and then we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That is all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.